Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 17. If you've been waiting for a good reason to upgrade your phone, this might be it. Apple is finally bringing some big changes to the regular iPhone, not just the expensive Pro models. So, let's get right into it. A brand new leak has revealed some interesting details about the iPhone 17 base model. Yep, not the Pro, not the Pro Max, but the standard one that most people usually buy. And if this leak is correct, Apple is finally giving this version some much-needed upgrades. First, let's talk about what's changing. If you remember when Apple released the iPhone 16 series, the Pro models got a little bigger, but the regular iPhone 16 stayed the same size. Well, that's about to change. According to a trusted display expert named Ross Young, the iPhone 17 base model will have a bigger screen. Right now, the iPhone 16 base model has a 6.1-inch display, but with the iPhone 17 it's expected to increase to 6.27 inches. That might not sound like a huge difference, but when it comes to phone screens, even a small increase can make a noticeable impact. It means a little more room for watching videos, playing games, reading messages, and just enjoying your apps. But the screen size isn't the only upgrade. The most exciting part of this leak is that Apple might finally bring a 120Hz refresh rate to the base iPhone. For those who don't know, a 120Hz display refreshes twice as fast as a 60Hz screen. This makes everything feel smoother, from scrolling through your apps to watching animations and playing games. Up until now, Apple kept this feature, called ProMotion, only for the Pro models. But if the iPhone 17 base model gets it, that's a huge improvement. You won't have to spend extra money on a Pro version just to enjoy a smoother, faster display. And there's more good news. The leak also suggests that the base iPhone 17 might finally get an always-on display. This feature lets you see the time, date, battery level, and notifications on your screen without having to tap or wake up your phone. It's really handy once you get used to it. This feature was also limited to the Pro models before, so it's great to see Apple bringing it to the regular version. So, to quickly sum it up, the iPhone 17 base model might come with a bigger screen, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an always-on display. That's a major upgrade compared to what we've seen before in standard iPhones. Now let's talk about the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. Apple isn't just updating the base model. The Pro models are also expected to get some redesigns, but what really has people excited is a brand new model called the iPhone 17 Air. This iPhone 17 Air is rumored to replace the Plus model, which had earlier replaced the Mini model. And here's the cool part. The Air is supposed to be super thin. Some leaked photos showed it next to the iPhone 16 Plus, and you could clearly see how much slimmer it is. If Apple can pack powerful hardware, good battery life, and a sleek, lightweight design into one phone, the Air might become the most talked about iPhone of the year. Of course, these new iPhones won't be launching alone. They'll go head-to-head with Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Even the iPhone 17 Air will face some tough competition from Samsung's new Galaxy S25 Edge, which is also expected to be thin, stylish, and powerful. It's clear that Apple is gearing up to make big moves with the iPhone 17 series. Bigger screens, smoother displays, always-on features, new designs, and fresh models. Whether you're a longtime iPhone user or thinking about switching from another brand, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting we've seen in years. And what makes it even better is that you won't need to pay extra for a Pro model just to get these cool features. The regular iPhone is finally catching up, and it looks like Apple is listening to what people want. Alright, that's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments. Are you excited about the iPhone 17 base model finally getting these upgrades? Or are you more curious about the super thin iPhone 17 Air? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.